What is up, you lovely people? Today I will be going over my investments regarding the Austin Major. My main focus lays on sticker capsules, but I also got a handful of stickers that I think are favorable and could see a decent growth in the future. In total, I have spent a little over 1000 euros, which may increase a little more before Budapest starts later this year. In general, sticker capsules are always a safe bet. You're basically purchasing assets to a variety of stickers instead of simply relying on luck catching the one high performer. Ever since the introduction of sticker capsules, they have been a safe investment opportunity, with the only iteration not returning profits being the Paris capsules. I think that Austin could see a high interest for investors, as recent trends have seen renewed hopes in sticker capsule investing. But I'm still pretty certain that we won't see an oversupply big enough to repeat the Paris disaster. In total, I got my hands on 4000 sticker capsules, 2000 of those being contender versions. It's the first time we see 16 teams combined into a single capsule, meaning that we're getting an even wider range of assets from a single investment. Probably most important in my decision to dedicate half of my capsule portfolio to these specific items is the teams themselves, as the contender capsule hosts both the Chinese teams participating, which have always been one of the most sought after stickers, and have so far held decent holo prices. Furthermore, the capsule combines the logo revamp of Complexity, the first and so far only version of B8, and some other decent and price steady contents like the Flycrest holo. Overall, I think that it holds a lot of decent performance that will make the capsule favorable to open in the future, and that could see the price increases even within the next year. Obviously, price changes can be influenced by many factors and are not actually as predictable as we would like to think. But my honest opinion is that even new iterations of borderless variants in the future won't be able to push Austin into red numbers. The other 2000 stickers are split between the Challengers and Legends, with 1000 each. Both of them contain many interesting teams, like the Falcons, Team Spirit, Navi, and the first appearance of Aurora, but none of them made me believe that either of them could become high outperformers over the contender capsule. I will gladly be proven wrong over time, but as of now I think that I made a good decision in dedicating half of my capsule value into the contender version. The latest majors haven't really given me high hopes into signature capsules, and I have never been interested into them either. Neither this time. Even if I may like some of the unique signatures, I don't see them pushing the capsule prices enough to return profits higher than the team capsules. I did buy into a few specific stickers themselves though. I collected 4 of most teams' holos, namely the Tyloo, Lin Vision, and Flycrest, but also a few outliers like the Medisport holo, which I personally find quite interesting. I also picked up some other signatures which I found unique and interesting, like the OC holo from NRG, but those are outliers that could very well never see any huge price increases. They are basically just some riskier bets based on personal interest. Prices for some of the holos will get even lower the longer the sale continues, so if you yourself want to take the initiative on some of them, I suggest observing the price developments over a few days and making your decision based on those observations. It is safe to say that the sticker sale is to continue a few more weeks, if not months, so you still should have a decent opportunity to not overshoot on some of the prices. Regarding the souvenir packages, I'm quite torn apart. I personally hate the look of the gold stickers and therefore the souvenirs themselves, but they are also the first decent bordered variant of souvenir collections we have seen in quite some time. I personally did pick up a few Mirage packages, but that is more because I believe in the Mirage collections rather than believing into the Austin souvenirs themselves. While highlight packages are a neat idea, I don't see them return any huge profits in investment terms, so I did not pick any of those. Well, that concludes my 1000 euro investment into Austin Major items. Feel free to share your personal choices in the comments. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys again very soon.